Hello everyone. So today we are in the lesson number 7 of PowerPoint tips and tricks series. I'm going to teach you about very interesting thing today in this lesson. It is about combination of design ideas, online pictures and smart lookup. What is that? Let's see. Let's think about you have an assignment to do a presentation about our solar system. So then our topic will be a solar system, and also this is the introductory slide. So you want to prepare an introductory slide for our solar system. Okay, we type our topic as solar system, and then first thing is we are going to insert a picture using online pictures option. So you can use this online pictures option, or you can go to insert and select online pictures. Whatever the method, you will get this window, and then in this window under the search box you can type as solar system and hit enter. So then you will see what are the pictures available that we can use. Right, I like this one. Select it. Now the picture will be added to your slide like this, and then design idea will come into the picture. So you can see the design ideas giving us automatically. Okay, which one I would like to have? This one. Alright, very nice, isn't it? Okay, so then we have about the nice picture about the solar system, but we want to do a small introduction. What is the solar system? So that is where we can use smart lookup. Okay, select on this solar system word, right click on it, then you will see smart lookup. Click on it. How smart it is. See, you will see the options and descriptions, even Wikipedia, whatever. Select a suitable one. I go for Wikipedia. More options. Right, so I like this definition. Copy it, paste it here. And change the color to white. Increase the font size. There you go. See how many minutes we took? Only 3 minutes, right? But it will be less than 3 minutes because I'm explaining. How nice it is. There you go. So in that way you can do the same for any topic that you like to have in your school, in your campus, or the wherever, college, or in your workplace. Over to you now. Hope you enjoy the video and get the benefit. Learn, apply and multiply. God bless you all.